All right. On this impossible lesson, we're gonna run you through how to do a 1080. They're very easy. It's just three 360 spinning. You know, you can do it forwards, backwards, whatever you want. All right, so let's see how it's done here. You want to have your foot over the tail and your front foot near the bolts. You go up backwards, start spinning, grab mute. Now keep spinning, keep spinning, keep spinning until you see the ramp. And then land really low. You know, land really low. It's not really like you're doing it legit. You just land super low, do the 1080 right away. Real easy. And you're like, hey, I'm the first guy doing a 1080. And then that's how you do it. You just land super ass low. Okay, now that's going to be it. Go out and try this. Post yourself doing this trick. It's pretty interesting. It catches a lot of attention because it's an NBD. Well, was. All right. Right on.